Hi boys and girls, today we are printmaking. So you're going to take your donut or pool noodle and you're going to add some paint to it. Now we're not going to dip it into the paint because then we won't know if it is consistent or even all over our pool noodle. So you're going to take your brush and you're just going to coat a little bit onto your donut. Now, if you still see holes, we need a little bit more paint in those areas, but only in those areas. And you do not want big globs of paint like that. So wipe those away, spread it out, make sure the whole circle is covered. Then all you need to do is flip over your donut and push a little bit and then pick it straight up and you should have a donut. Now, I had a little bit of globby paint in the middle of my donut, so next time we're gonna make sure that that doesn't happen. So we're gonna spread it out, make sure we get that glob out of the middle. Now it is very important that we spread our donuts out all over the paper. You can even take one and make it fall halfway off the paper. That's okay too. I'm gonna put this one here. Now, what happens if we don't push it down? Well, we don't get a donut. So if you do that, just make sure you put it right back on top, push it down, pick it straight up, and now we have a donut. Okay, boys and girls, while you're doing your donuts, I want you to count. We don't want more than 8, but we don't want less than 4. So let's count how many I have. You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know I have to be done now. If you have between 4 and 8, you are good to go. And when we are done, we are going to carry our paper like a lunch tray with 2 hands, one on each side. We're not going to hold it up and down or else it might drip if you have too much paint. And we're going to walk it to the drying rack. Last thing I want to let you know, guys, that printmaking is all about the print. So we are trying to see what happens if we take a pool noodle and use it as our painting device. I know you're all holding a paintbrush, or you will be soon, but I do not want you to paint the donut. So don't take your paintbrush and paint a circle. That is not what we are doing. You need to take the paintbrush and put the paint onto the donut. Okay? Have fun, boys and girls. I know that this is going to be a super exciting project.